I'm super excited to have you with me here. So today we'll be solving a question on the topic Hooke's law. So this question goes to us: a spiral spring extends by 5 cm under a load of 60 Newton. When the load is replaced by a steel block, the new extension is 7 cm. What is the weight of the steel block? Now let's do a quick one on this. Now let's look at our parameters first. A spiral spring extends by 5 cm. So the extension of the spiral spring is 5 cm under a load of 60 Newton. So the load here is what? 60 Newton. When the load is replaced by a steel block, the new extension, here is 7 cm. What is the weight of the steel block? So we define the load in this condition. Now, from our Hooke's law, the formula we derived from Hooke's law is that the force is equals to the force constant times the extension. This F is the force or the load, while the K is the force constant and the E is the extension caused by the load. So we know our extension here. We also know our length, our load. Sorry. So the units are not aligning. So we have to convert our extension to meters. So we have the extension that will be 0.05 meters. So to solve for our force constant, K will be equals to F over E. The force or the load is 60 Newton over the extension. When you divide 5 by 100, that will give you 0.05. So we have 0.05 meters. So our K, when you punch your calculator, you have that gives us a total of 1200 Newton per meters. Now we can now use this value of K to get our weight of the steel block. So since we know the extension caused by the steel block, and we can get the weight, and we know the force constant. So we can convert this also to meters, which should be 0.07 meters. So the load now, or the force, will equals to K times the extension. The value of our K is 1200 multiplied by the extension, which is 0.07. So when we do that, we arrive at a force of 84 Newton. So this is the solution to the question. Thank you for staying with me to this point. Endeavor to go over the video again for more clarification, and don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't. See you again.